Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Hey, when I be doing these videos, I don't be writing nothing down. I don't be having no notepad, no pencil. I just think of like the topic and then I just go. Like I just thought about this topic a couple days ago, but I'm just not having the time to do the video. But anyway, you know how people always say money is the root of all evil. You can't do this for money. You shouldn't be doing that for money and all that. And I feel what they be saying though, because it is correct to a certain extent. Like the thing is, people don't know what to do with money, and people look at money in different ways. You got somebody like me. Like money has changed my whole situation. Money has put me in a better position financially, and money can also put you in a better position, like health-wise too, because you can pay for the best doctors, the best nurses, the best physical therapists. You can do all that with money. You know what I'm saying? So money do help all around. But the thing is, people don't know what to do with the money. And the reason why they say money is the root of all evil, because a lot of y'all already doing evil without money. So if you get some money, you're going to do even way more and more evil, to where you end up crashing and burning. You know what I'm saying? You end up failing and effing up, going to jail, passing away, all that. But when you got somebody that's educated about money, and they know what to do with the money and how to use money, and look at money as a slave or a tool to make more money, then that's a dangerous person. They don't look at money for what you look at it. You looking at, oh, I done got $100 million. I'm about to buy all type of dumb stuff. I'm about to buy this new car. I'm about to buy all that. A person who knows what to do with money, they not gonna buy no dumb stuff. They know that money is how can I explain it? It's like I said, it's a stepping stone. They gonna make investments. They gonna give to the less fortunate who don't have money. They gonna have some fun with the money. When I say fun, I mean go on vacations, hang out with family, take days off work, have fun, you know what I'm saying? Do fun stuff. They don't require a lot of money. It just requires time, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, if you give these people money, they're not gonna look at it like how you look at it. They might still live the same regular life. They ain't about to upgrade their house. They ain't about to upgrade their car. They might pay their car off. They might pay their house off, but they're not going to go upgrade it. They might buy some more houses for investment reasons, real estate purposes. Might buy some cars to put on tour. You know what I'm saying? It's all gonna be investment. It's not gonna be for like enjoyment like that, because you don't really need money to enjoy yourself. Alright, if I get around the right people, I can enjoy myself. I ain't gonna lie, I'm keep 100. Money just enhances the fun, because now you can do more stuff with the money. But if the right person was to come and sit in this chair next to me on the passenger side, it might make my whole day better. If it's a female that I really like, who I ain't seen in so long, or if it's one of my homies or something, or just say a dead relative was to come back, that right there would be, you don't even need no money to do anything with this person. Just sitting with this person and talking to that person will be just enough. You don't need money like that. You just need it to survive and pay bills. And if you got a little extras coming up, you can have fun with that. You can invest into that. But you ain't got to spend it or trick it off on a whole bunch of dumb stuff. That's what people be doing. They tend to get money and trick it off on a lot of dumb stuff. See, I had to change my mindset like this, because my mindset used to be so messed up about it. I used to, how many diamond chains I done bought, how many gold chains I done bought, how many expensive jeans I done paid for when I ain't need none of that. I spent a lot of money, especially I was young and I was getting the money at an early age. It was coming straight to me, but I know nothing about financial literacy at all. I was just young and dumb and getting money. My work ethic was cool though. That's the thing. My work ethic was so crazy where I enjoy getting money. I enjoy working. But now I'm getting older. I'm like, man, I ain't enjoying. I mean, work cool, but it ain't. I've been doing it for so long. My drive is going down. The older you get, that drive going down. So now, the money that I was tricking off on, I wish I had that now. But I ain't gonna say I wish I had it because I don't have no regrets or nothing. But the thing is, I had to go through that. I had to spend all that money so I know how to use the money now. Because now if I had all the money that I had back then, I had it now, I probably wouldn't. I've been bored. Like, damn, I ain't spend no money on myself. I'm making all these investments and all this, which would be cool. But it's like I'm gonna have to enjoy the money sometimes in life. So that's really it's really for enjoyment, not for no buying all type of materialistic dumb stuff. See, I changed my mindset in 2018, I want to say, when I picked up a book that I heard my homie telling me about, my OG homie. I just recently seen him at a party. I mean, at a picnic, and I gave him a hug and I thanked him. Shout out to Rick. I gave him a hug and I told him I appreciate him because like he put me on that book. Cause like he saw me reading the book, but it wasn't the type of book that. It was the $40 of Power, and that's a cool book. But he put me on that Rich Dad Poor Dad book because he saw me reading the $40 of Power. He said, "Oh, you read? Okay, here, Rich Dad Poor Dad." And after I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, I promise that shit changed my whole mindset financially. And then I got to thinking like I don't really need all this dumb stuff because Rich Dad, his business was making money. He had good credit. He was using credit. And he stayed in an old raggedy house. It wasn't that raggedy to where it wasn't livable, but it was an old house. His cars wasn't all that. It wasn't no up-to-date car. It was like a regular car that's paid off. So let's think about this. I'm gonna give y'all a little financial game. I got a car note right now, and I'm paying at the crib too. But imagine if my car was paid off and I had no car note, and the money that I'm getting that I'm paying my car note with, which is I'm gonna put my shit out there. My car note high. My car note like 6. And some of y'all was about 5, some 4, 418, 419, 520, whatever. Just imagine you bought you a used car that get you from A to B. That 5 every month that you put in that car note, you could be putting that into some stocks. You could be saving that, putting that, I'm gonna say shoebox money. Hell, you could be putting that into a shoebox every month. By the end of the year, you up to where you can take that money and go into business for yourself. You can invest into your own products, invest into your own equipment. If you got another job or something, you can invest that into other things, you know what I'm saying, that to your liking, to where you can capitalize off of. But we don't really think like that, and we don't really know that until we learn that. So that's all. So when they be saying that money is the root of all evil, nah, money ain't the root of all evil. You people already got evil in y'all. Y'all just, like I said, it enhances the evilness that y'all got inside y'all. And if a person does good for people, when he doesn't have it, when he gets money, he probably will do more and more for people. So is that evil? No. Because back when COVID was around, COVID was the evil one. Everybody else, it wasn't no violence, nothing like that. People staying in the house, people was getting money, they was getting, we had stimulus checks coming in, we had unemployment coming in. I bet the crime rate was real low then around that time too. I keep telling people, I bet that crime rate was real low because everybody had money. But now, when you take the money away, being broke and not having no money, to me, that's the root of all evil. If you take everybody's money, if the bank was to say, you know what, we gotta take y'all money away from y'all and take everybody's money, all their money out the bank account, you know what I mean? People would commit, you know, they would jump out the windows and take their guns, and you know, people would do all that. Or, you know what I'm saying, I take from another person called, you got a little something, okay, bet, I ain't got nothing I'm about to take from you, I'm about to do this, I'm about to do that. So that's the root of all evil though. But you know, I'm about to be in that in a minute. That's the root of all evil. That's my client right there. So I'm gonna get back to talking with y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'll be doing these videos between clients and shit. Yeah, but like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all. And I had gained another subscriber too a couple days ago. So to you, I appreciate you. Shout out. You'll keep doing this.